Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change mouse pointer size and style in Windows 11. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. If your mouse cursor is too hard to see comfortably, Windows 11 provides several ways to make it stand out. You can make the mouse pointer larger, invert it, or change its color. Here's how. First, open Windows Settings. The quickest way is by pressing Windows +I on your keyboard. Or you can right-click the Start button on your taskbar and select Settings from the menu that appears. In Settings, click Accessibility in the sidebar, then select Mouse Pointer and Touch. In Mouse Pointer and Touch settings, you can easily make your mouse cursor larger or smaller by using the size slider. Click the circle within the slider and drag it until your cursor reaches the desired size. To change the style of the mouse cursor, use the options listed under Mouse Pointer Style. You have 4 options: white, black, inverted, and custom. Here's what each one does. White, your mouse cursor is white with a black outline. This is the default option. Black, your mouse cursor is black with a white outline. Inverted, your mouse cursor automatically changes color to an inverted version of the color it is hovering over. So if it's over a black background, the cursor will be white, for example. Custom? You can select a custom mouse cursor color. If you click the custom mouse cursor style, the colored cursor, you can select a cursor color from the recommended colors list by clicking it. Or you can choose a custom color by clicking the plus button beside choose another color. When you have your mouse cursor just how you like it, close settings. Your changes have already been saved. If you ever need to adjust your mouse cursor size or style again, open Settings and navigate to Accessibility, Mouse Pointer and Touch again. Good luck! Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.